I looked at buying a OEM style trailer brake for my 2011 F150. My local dealership wanted $190 just for the trailer brake. Uh, Amazon wants $140 for the Dorman OEM style trailer brake. I found the Tekonsha Prodigy P2 for $110, and I found an OEM plug and play adapter kit for another $10. My plan is to put this in my 2011 F-150. I'm going to take this factory cubby out, and I'm just going to cut a hole in the back for the plug to slide through, and the Prodigy P2 fits right in there. I won't need any brackets or anything. It'll just slide and sit in there. So once we get this done, I'll update this and show you guys how it looks and how the install was. Okay, so to get the panel out and to show you guys a better view, I ended up taking the trim panel off. It was two 9/32 screws, and then I had to shift the truck into first gear to get the shifter out of the way. And you've got this panel, which goes around your instrument cluster. You got this panel, which hooks into your dash right there. Now there's a dummy plug on the back of this that I assume is probably for you four-wheel drive guys. I don't know how your guys' switch is set up, but my whole plan is to access this right here. I want to pull that out, cut the back out of it, and run my plug through here so the Prodigy P2 will sit, instead of hanging under the dash in the way of my feet or my wife, who's 5'2" and has to adjust the pedals in her seat a little further. Once installed, I'll give you guys a better idea. I'm going to go ahead and pull this cubby out and see how I can modify this to hold the trailer brake. Alright guys, so two 9/32 bolts held the cubby in. You can see there's a spot for the factory wiring to plug the factory OEM trailer wiring into to hold it, or the trailer brake wiring in to hold it. But as was the case on some of these trucks, people have said they found the wiring plugged in here, or they found it up near your OBD2 port taped in under here, which is the case in this truck. I'll be cutting the electrical tape off. As I showed earlier, I have a Tekonsha trailer brake adapter kit, so it should still be plug and play. My plan is, with this, I'm going to take a Dremel tool and I'm just going to cut the back open to slide the wiring through. Let me jump on that and I'll get back to you guys. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but you aren't going to see it. I ground and cut the plug off the back, so it's pretty much flush. And then my game plan is to cut a notch and a hole in the back here to plug the wiring in. See, the plug fits directly in the back. And then give me a second. The controller just sits in there. Cakewalk. So here's the idea of what we're looking at. Wiring hooked up, ready to plug in. I'm going to run that and then I'll show you guys how it sits. Okay, so dodo bird moment. I was trying to figure out why my plug wouldn't fit. See how it's plugged in now? There is a dummy cover on them to keep dirt, debris, and anything else from getting in there. So make sure you remove that first before plugging it in. Once I know this works, I'll be tucking up the wiring. And here's the installed. And if you can tell, it's not sending me any signal because I have a trailer hooked up. It says no connection. Brake one. You got your adjustments. So there's my Prodigy P2 install. Fits nicely in the dash. And like I said, it clears up all that space underward. And hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, please comment below.